We're looking at a few more of these problems, and we're going to identify what kind of problems we have, what kind of angles we have, and how we can find them. Okay. Um, Now the problem, this first problem here. Let's see. We got to find some of the missing arcs so we can find the angles. Okay. Um, so the way I'm going to say it is I've got this angle here of 71. Okay, I got this angle here of 71, which means the arc with it that it meets up with must be, okay, twice that, or 142. But I can see that that arc is composed of a piece that is 104, and what's left to complete that 142 is the arc C. So arc C is 142 minus 104, which makes that 38. Okay, so the arc at C is 38. Now, um, also now, okay, I have the angle up here at 68, and I have an inscribed quadrilateral. Angle A is the supplement of 68. Angle A is the supplement of 68, okay, which means the supplement 180 minus 68 is 112. 112 here, right, for angle A. Angle A is 112. And angle A opens up to an arc which is spanning from uh, this point here all the way over to this point. And so that's, since that arc must be twice that angle, 112, which makes it 224. And 224, of which I already spent 104 here, which means arc AB is 224 minus 104, which makes that 120 for arc B. For arc B. Arc B is 120. Okay, that solves that. All right, let's go over this problem over here. Okay, we have angle A, which is an inscribed angle opening up to an arc of 108, so it must be half of that. Angle A is half of 108, so it's 54. Angle B is an inscribed angle, which opens up to an arc of 60, so angle B must be half of that, which is 30. Okay, so and the angle here at C is an interior angle, angle C, which is half of the sum of the two angles of 108 and 60, okay, which is half of 168, which is what, 84, okay, for angle C is 84, okay. Maybe another problem down here to look at, okay. Here we have a central angle which is 44 degrees. The arc which it opens up to is equal to that central angle, so that's 44. Okay, we have basically three arcs of the circle. We have this arc down here of 160, then we pick up this 44-degree arc, so that makes it 204, and arc C is the rest of the circle, so C is equal to 360 minus that 204 sum from the 44 and the 160. So that's 360 minus 204. Okay, and 360 minus 204 is 156, which is arc C. 156 is arc C, and angle B is the special inscribed angle formed with the tangent and a chord. It's half of 156, so that's 78. Okay. Maybe one or two more, and then we're going to cut this video off, okay? Let's see what's worth looking at down here, okay? Here, um, here we have exterior angles. All exterior angles are half the measure of the difference between the two arcs that they meet up with, okay? So they're all going to have the same formula. So let me look at this guy right here, okay? So angle E is 1/2 the difference of the arc GD minus arc FD. And let's put in the pieces that we have. Angle E is labeled as 2x plus 14, equaling 1/2 of GD, which is labeled as 6 plus 14x, and FD is 58, so minus 58. I'm not going to mess with no fraction, okay? So I'm going to double both sides, giving me 4x plus 28 is equal to 6 minus 58, so that'll give me 14x minus 52, okay? Minus 52. All right, so let's bring the 52 over here and the 4x over there. That gives me 10x, and 52 added to 28 is going to give me 80. So it looks like x is going to equal 80. Okay. Okay. These down here are, here's an interior angle. Here's an interior angle. Okay. And we're asked to find the angle at A. I'll tell you what, I'm not going to find the angle at A. I'm going to find the angle here at B because A and B are supplementary. Okay. The angle B I can find, and then I can take its supplement to find angle A. So angle B, which is given here as is equal to 1/2 of arc BC plus arc FD. Okay. Angle B is given as 8x plus 6 is equal to 1/2 of BC arc, which is 8x plus 11, okay, plus 9x minus 7. All right, so I think you should be able to figure that one out from there. I'm going to stop it right here. That should be a long enough video for us, okay? There we go.